Salam, everybody. This is Investor Sheikh back at it again with another video. And today's halal stock pick of the week is the Honest Company, ticker symbol HNST. So, right now I'm scrolling on Amazon, and as you can see, there are various products from the Honest Company, and it consists mainly of baby hygiene products as well as makeup products for mothers. So they have a lot of household products, so disinfecting spray, shampoo, mascara for the mother, of course, body wash, shampoo, balm, so various cosmetic hygiene products. So looking on Zoya, the stock price is trading at $5.56. It is Sharia compliant. And the key stats are it has a $506 million market cap, no dividend. The 52-week low is 554, which is close to the 52-week low, and the high is 2388. And I'm not too sure if these PE ratio and earnings per share is accurate, but we'll double check on Yahoo. So a description of the company, and I'm on Muslim Exchange. So Honest Company Inc. is a clean lifestyle brand that designs and sells environmentally sustainable products. The company distributes its products through digital and retail sales channels. Its product categories include diapers and wipes, skin and personal care, and household and wellness. Its diapers are chlorine-free fluff pulp and other plant-derived materials. Its products include Clean Conscious Diaper, Diaper Subscription, Diaper Trial. The company's skincare products include cleansers, serums, masks, moisturizers, eye cream, and age-defying. Its household products include Conscious Cleaning, Multi-Surface Cleaner, Glass Cleaner, Bathroom Cleaner, Starter Sets, Refill Pods, and Clean Home Kits. The company offers non-toxic family essentials including bath skincare, household cleaning, supplements, oral care, baby products, and exclusive designer collaboration items. The company's products are available online at www.honest.com. So as you can see, that's a wide range of products that they sell. They are competing against many well-established brands that sell these products, such as Kimberly-Clark, Nestle, Unilever, Proctor Gamble, Gerber, Johnson & Johnson. All these companies sell these products that Honest Company is selling. However, what strikes Honest Company apart from the competition is the fact that they use environmentally friendly products. As they mentioned here, their diapers are chlorine-free pulp and other plant-derived materials. Now, a lot of the products that may be produced by the well-established brands might not have plant-based material. It could be synthetic material. You never know. So this is how the Honest Company distinguishes themselves from the competition. And one thing to note is that this company was founded by Jessica Alba, who is a former actress. As she says, there were no expectations for me to be successful. So in a way, this is a way for her to try to prove that she can indeed run a successful company and foregoing that actress label. So let's take a look at the stock and how it has performed over the years. So the Honest Company did IPO in 2021, and 2021 has not been a good year for IPOs. They initially go up due to the hype, and then eventually the investors will start to notice the real value that this company is bringing. And with a lot of IPOs like Oatly, Robinhood, they performed pretty well, but then crashed. And the Honest Company is indeed one of them. So the stock started off in the $20 range back in May of last year, and since then it has been on a long-term climb. So this is a falling knife. And we don't know if this stock has reached the bottom. It just seems like it just keeps going down month after month. It was down 13% in the last month. It's down 4% in the past 5 days. But the growth is not as bad as the 1 year. If you bought this stock during the IPO, you have had a rude awakening. To see the stock go down 65% in such a gradual manner, it's really annoying if you think about it. But if you don't have a position on this company, this could be a good buying opportunity. As with many other beaten down stocks. So it has a $506 million market cap. So at one point it was a $1 billion company, but the valuation hasn't reached that levels yet. And it may take some time for them to recover to that initial valuation during the IPO. The 1 year target is $12.57. So according to the analysts, you could double your money if you were to purchase the stock right now. But that's only based on the analysts. So let's take a look at the key stats. So yeah, no dividend. And let's take a look at the PE ratio. So it appears that there is no PE ratio. So I believe that number that was on Zoya is inaccurate. So let's take a look at the analysts and what they have to say. So this stock is between a strong buy and a buy, with price targets as high as $18 and as low as $9. So based on what the analysts are saying, this stock is currently at a good bargain. And let's take a look at the financials. So as you see here, year after year growth in revenue, which is great, but we have negative earnings. And then the quarterly revenue has been pretty flat, and we're still seeing negative revenue, with Q2 of 2021 being pretty dismal. But hopefully we may see this company recover in the long term. So let's take a deeper look into the financials. So this company is not profitable at the moment, as with many growth stocks, as their net income is at negative $42 million. And then looking at the balance sheet, they have $63 million in cash, $240 million in assets. However, $477 million in liabilities. So this company isn't really in a good spot right now financially, because they do have a lot of debt. So looking at they don't show any debts for this company on Yahoo Finance. But yes, one thing to take into account is that the total liabilities does outnumber the assets, which is a red flag to look at in a company. And for it to be beaten down so much is due to the market. This isn't because of the stock itself. Eventually they may start to obtain more revenue once more customers start to purchase honest company. And one of the ways they can do so is by making the products affordable while still being environmentally friendly. And Jessica Alba hasn't been running this company for a long time, so hopefully she will improve in her ability to manage the company and make this brand a well-known brand for the next generation of mothers and children. Only time will tell, and I am fully aware of the fact that Jeremy from Financial Education does have a large position on this company. Only time will tell how this company will perform. All they need to do is try to increase that revenue and try to increase the value of their assets. Now, as always, this video is not financial advice, so please don't buy this stock simply because I'm talking about it. Please do your own research, and if you like what you see, consider adding this stock to your watch list. This is Investor Shake, checking out.